This is another asana that we are observing that the ancients practiced it in a much more difficult format, obviously getting immense benefits for the body. We will didact on that as we go along.
सिद्धासनम योनिस्थानकमङ्घ्रिमूलघटितं कृत्वा दृढं विनश्येतत् मेढ्रे पादमथैकमेव हृदये कृत्वा हनुं सुस्थिरम् स्थाणुस्संयमितेन्द्रियोचलदृशा पश्येत् भ्रुवोरन्तरम् ह्येतन्मोक्षकपाटभेदजनकं सिद्धासनं प्रोच्यते.
Starting position, sitting in Dandasana with back straight and legs fully stretched forward. Arms are resting on either side of hips with palms down on the floor. Execution. Bend the left leg at the knee along the ground, placing the heel of the left foot on the perineum, while the sole and toes of the left foot touch the right inner thigh. Now bend the right knee along the floor and place the right foot such that the heel is on the pubic bone on top of the genitals. Again, make sure the right sole and foot are against the left thigh. Having done this, keep the spine straight and keep the arms straight with palms facing up and in Gyan Mudra. Get the wrists to rest on the knees with arms outstretched. Now in this position, gently bend the head forwards to rest the chin onto the chest. Once the chin is touching the chest, remaining still and steady with the senses controlled, gaze steadily into the eyebrow center, Ajna Chakra area, between the eyebrows. When you're gazing, you may notice that the eyes get tired very easily. If you get tired, close your eyes. This is called Siddhasana. Hold this position for a few minutes and continue to breathe with awareness. The final position in Siddhasana. The traditional method of Siddhasana is done in the following manner. As I explained, I'll reiterate again. Sit with the heel of the left foot pressing the perineum, the area between the anus and the genital organs. Place the right foot so that the heel presses the pubis directly above the generative organs. Siddhasana's Adept pose. Push the toes and edge of the right foot in between the left thigh and calf muscles. Make sure the body is comfortable and steady, spine erect. Lower the chin towards the collarbone, relax the head, gaze into the eyebrow center, which is referred to as Shambhavi Mudra. Today, Siddhasana is commonly known as described, with some practicing the intricate position of the heels precisely. Very few appear to be practicing the head bending forwards and chin touching the chest. Siddhasana for women, specifically they have given anatomical description. In Siddhasana, the lower left heel is pressed into the opening of the vagina and the upper right heel rests against the clitoris. The toes of both feet are inserted between the opposite thigh and calf muscles. You will notice that they are very specific and detailed. This is still going in ancient times. Now, what are the benefits of Siddhasana? Siddhasana is very important for stimulating the Ajna Chakra and controlling nervous and pranic impulses from Mooladhara and Siddhasana chakras. When Ajna Chakra is awakened, the realm of pure consciousness is experienced. It is beyond the effects of Prakriti or nature and is therefore the door to liberation. Siddhasana is the best posture as it enables you to handle the changes that take place in the body during deep meditation. Siddhasana prevents nervous depression from occurring during meditation as it stops the blood pressure from falling too low. Regulates the production of the male hormone testosterone. Helps maintain the inner body temperature. Of all the 84 asanas, Siddhasana should always be practiced. It purifies the 72,000 nadis. Now you can relax, Vaishali. Thank you for this lovely demonstration. This is Siddhasana at its best.